Chances are, if you're anything like me, when it comes to woodworking, you're a bit of a square. And by that I mean that most of the project parts you're working on are either square or rectangular in cross-section. So whenever you run across round parts for making toys or chairs or benches, it can be a bit of a challenge trying to come up with ways to make some of the details, like cutting joinery, for example. Well, Dan Martin from Galena, Ohio, solved the problem in a really simple way. His solution is to glue up 2 pieces of plywood to make a block. In the end of the block, he drilled a hole that closely matches the diameter of the dowel that he's using. You want it to slide in there freely and to be able to rotate, but you don't want it wiggling around. Where the end of the hole is, he cut a notch with his dado blade, and that's going to be the location of the tenon on the end. With this clamped to your miter gauge, you just slide it forward until you contact a stop block that you clamp to your rip fence. When the dowel is slid in place, it's just a matter of rotating the dowel to cut the tenon on the end. The result, when you're done, is a surprisingly smooth tenon. You can also use this technique to cut grooves in dowels as well. So thanks, Dan, for sharing your method for cutting joinery on round parts.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this tip and you want to see more from Woodsmith, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be uploading woodworking videos and tips weekly. And trigger the bell, that way you get notified when we do upload those videos. Any links for plans or supplies we use for these projects will be down in the description. As always, thank you for watching.